Hello friends, in previous lecture we have started introduction to CNC system. We have discussed numerical control, classification of CNC, advantages of NC and CNC machine, difference between NC and CNC machine, elements of CNC machines and programming key letters. In this video we will discuss CNC feed drive system. CNC feed drive are most important in any CNC machine. The CNC driving system is very important component of CNC machine. Why? Because it gives accuracy. Okay, accuracy depends upon what? As the driving system gives the better performance, CNC machine gives the better accuracy. Okay, so the driving system is classified as spindle drives and feed drives. The spindle drives are used to provide angular motion to workpiece or cutting tool, and feed drives are used to drive the slide or table. लक्षात येते का? स्पिंडल ड्राइव कशासाठी वापरणार आहे? स्पिंडल ड्राइव्स आर यूज्ड टू प्रोव्हाइड अँग्युलर मोशन टू वर्कपीस और कटिंग टूल. आणि फीड ड्राइव्ह कोणासाठी आहेत? स्लाइडसाठी, टू गिव्ह द ड्राइव्ह टू स्लाइड or to the table. The feed drive consists of electromotor and mechanical transmission element. Next, this is the working principle of spindle drives and CNC feed drives. In case of spindle drives, we can see in the diagram also, output of spindle motor is given to workpiece. बरोबर, output of spindle motor is given to workpiece, but output of spindle motor is given via belt or gear drive or chain drive to the workpiece. We can see in figure number 1, आउटपुट जे आहे स्पिंडल मोटरचं ते आपण वर्कपीसला दिलेलं आहे, बट कशा थ्रू दिलेलं आहे? मध्ये मे बी काय यूज केला असेल? बेल्ट यूज केला असेल, मे बी गिअर ड्राईव्ह यूज केला असेल, मे बी चेन ड्राईव्ह यूज केला असेल. बट इन केस ऑफ CNC फीड ड्राईव्ह, in figure number again खालची second figure, the output of feed motor is directly connected to the work table using ball screw. बरोबर, आपण फिगर मध्ये बघू शकतोय. सो in case of CNC feed drive, whatever speed achieved by the feed motor is the speed of the work table. बरोबर, म्हणजे we can see in case of spindle drive, speed म्हणजे स्पिंडल ड्रायच्या बाबतीत आपण विचार केला तर वी कॅन अचीव द स्पीड रिडक्शन. बरोबर, म्हणजे स्पीड रिडक्शन इज पॉसिबल बाय युजिंग डिफरंट पुलीज असेल, बेल्ट असेल, गिअर असेल और चेन असेल. सो स्पीड रिडक्शन इज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट दिस बॉल स्क्रू. सो दिस इज द बॉल स्क्रू. आपण मग बघितलं याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? सो फीड मोटर, आउटपुट ऑफ फीड मोटर इज गिवन टू द वर्क टेबल with the help of ball screw. This is the typical feed drive. Now ball screw, it mainly consists of the screw spindle, a nut, balls and integrated ball return mechanism as shown in figure. बरोबर, इंटिग्रेटेड मेकॅनिझम कशासाठी? रिसर्क्युलेट होण्यासाठी. द फ्लेंज्ड नट इज अटॅच टू द मूविंग पार्ट ऑफ CNC machine tool. As the screw rotates, the nut translates the moving part along the guideways. However, since the groove in the ball screw is helical, its steel balls roll along the helical groove and then they may go out of the ball and the ball nut unless they are arrested at a certain spot. Thus, it is necessary to change their path after they have reached a certain spot by guiding them, okay, one after another back to their starting point. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे? परत स्टार्टिंग पॉईंटला आणलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे रिसर्क्युलेशन पार्ट प्ले द इम्पॉर्टंट रोल. वेन द स्क्रू शाफ्ट इज रोटेटिंग ॲज शोन इन फिगर, आपण बघू, कन्सिडर करू ए स्टील बॉल ॲट अ पॉईंट ए. इथं पॉईंट ए दिसतोय आपल्याला, स्टील बॉल. लुक एट ए स्टील बॉल. दिस इज द ॲट अ पॉईंट A. Travel 3 turns of screw groove rolling along the groove of the screw shaft and the ball nut and eventually reaches point B. तर point B मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे, समजा तिथपर्यंत आला, then ball is forced to change its pathway at the tip of the tube, passing back through the tube until it finally returns to the point A. बरोबर. Whenever the nut strokes on the screw shaft, the ball repeat the same circulation inside the return tube. Now sometimes when debris or foreign material or matter enters the inside of the nut, it could affect the smoothness in the operation or cause premature wearing, either of which could adversely affect the ball screws function. So to prevent these such things from occurring, seals are provided. Okay, there are various types of seals are provided. Plastic seals are there, brush type seals are there, okay, which are used in the ball screws. Next is the characteristics of ball screw: high mechanical efficiency and low in wear. In ball screws, about 90% or more of the force used to rotate the screw shaft can be converted to the force to move the ball nut. Since friction loss is extremely low, the amount of force used to rotate the screw shaft is as low as 1/3 of that needed for the same thread lead screw. Okay, low in wear: because of rolling contact, wear is less than that of sliding contact, thus accuracy is high. Ball screw moves smoothly enough under very slow speed. Okay, so this system usually uses कोणती system? Our drive system uses electric motors, although hydraulic motors are also used for large machine tools. Electric motors: an electric motor is an electric machine that converts electrical energy into the mechanical energy. And hydraulic motor is a mechanical actuator that converts hydraulic pressure and flow into the torque or angular displacement, म्हणजे मे बी रोटेशन. म्हणजे मोस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स कन्सिडर केलं तर मोस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स ऑपरेट थ्रू द इंटरॅक्शन बिटवीन एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड अँड वाइंडिंग currents to generate the force within the motor. The main purpose of this driving system, आपल्या ड्रायव्हिंग सिस्टमचा मेन पर्पज काय आहे? इज टू मूव द वर्किंग पार्ट्स ऑफ द मशीन टूल. मशीनचे जे काय वर्किंग पार्ट्स आहेत ते मूव करणे. दिस इज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ आवर CNC drives or driving system. The requirement is that the driving system has to respond accurately according to the program instruction. Whatever program instructions असतील, on that basis our driving system is response to that program instructions. The motor is coupled either directly or through the gearbox to the machine lead screw to move the machine slide or the spindle. Generally there are two types of electric motors are used: servo motors or stepper motors. Okay, we will discuss the servo motors and stepper motors in the next lecture. So there are basic few requirements of the CNC feed drives. So these are the requirements of CNC feed drives: high torque to weight ratio, it should have low armature or rotor inertia, again it should have low electrical and mechanical time constants, permanent magnet constructions, maximum speed is limit up to 3000 rpm, high peak torque for quick response. Okay, the required constant torque for overcoming frictional and working force must be provided. Okay, thank you. In next lecture we will discuss CNC drives, different types of CNC motors, AC motor, DC motor. Okay, thank you.